For years I've been fascinated with commercial dishwashers. Well, commercial everything actually, but I actually had a printout of the Hobart LXI machine that I had planned on installing in my parents' kitchen. And to their great relief, I moved out before I was able to put that plan into action. But now having this basement bar here that's all built out with a space for a dishwasher, I took the opportunity to acquire a used one of these. And I thought I would show you how it works. So this, when you turn it on, when you want to start washing racks of dishes, it fills with water and then it preheats. It goes through a preheat cycle and gets the water up to 160 something degrees. And then you can wash. So I'm going to push the wash button here. Okay, you see that steam that just came out? This being made for installation in a commercial kitchen, there is no real effort to control the steam or the noise. The noise is not a big deal. To me, it's not really loud. It just sounds like it's working. To me, a dishwasher should sound like it's doing something, and this is certainly doing something. It's got about a 90-second wash cycle that it goes through, and then it will dwell for about 5 seconds, and then it will enter a rinse cycle of about 10 seconds or so. And so then when you're done washing rack after rack of these dishes, when you turn it off, it will then drain and shut off for the night. But until you actually turn it off, or until it times out after 4 hours, it keeps that water hot inside the machine, and it uses the last cycle's rinse water as the new cycle's wash water. So that's a nice attempt at efficiency. Not terribly good to install one of these next to wooden cabinets, but I don't use it a whole lot. There is a pressure gauge down below that will indicate when water is coming into the machine, because it needs to come in at, well, according to this, between 15 and 25 psi. And you can see, whoops, okay, so it has just gone into dwell, it's ended the wash cycle, and then the rinse cycle will begin, and you'll see the pressure or the temperature shoot up dramatically. There's our pressure gauge. And you can see it's really cooking now. So there's two types of these machines. Chemical sanitizing, which basically sprays bleach on your dishes, and high temperature sanitizing, which at 180 something degrees, that'll kill the coronavirus, I think. So now it's done. And there is also no dry cycle. Your dry cycle is this. So all that steam flashing off your dishes, or your furnace filters in this case, kind of dries them surprisingly well. And then that's almost dry by the time you take the rack out and stick the next rack in. It's just about dry. So let's go back and look at how it's hooked up. So I made the mistake of assuming that this is just a super powerful version of a residential dishwasher, that you use it the same way. It cannot do 2 hours worth of cleaning in 90 seconds or 2 minutes. It could probably do it in about 15 minutes, but commercial dishwashers depend on pre-rinsing. The guy in the plastic apron with that big pre-rinse jet that sprays all the stuff off the dishes, that's doing a lot of the cleaning, and all this machine has to do is sanitize, really. So there is a difference there. You also have a difference that the dishwasher does not come with racks. You buy the racks. So this is a rack for glasses. I've got peg rack, glass rack, a flat rack, which is what I'm using now. And they're designed to be carried full of dishes and then stuck in the dishwasher, and then you run one rack at a time. So it's versatile. You can use it for different size and shape items. Our electrical service for this dishwasher is 240 volt 50 amp, about like an air conditioner. Our water line is hot water with a garden hose connection to a 1/2 inch braided metal water line there. Our drain hose is 3/4. It goes into its own trap under here. And the nice thing about this furnace room backing up to the bar is that all this stuff can be in here instead of in cabinets. And there's your detergent and your rinse aid, which this particular dishwasher dispenses automatically. So you buy the commercial ware wash detergent and rinse aid, and it just sucks in a little bit at each cycle and puts it into the machine. So anyway, it is not a direct replacement for a home dishwasher. You have to take certain things into account, but I enjoy having it. It is a useful machine, and of course, as you know, I'm crazy. So there we have it. And I hope you enjoyed my demonstration of my Hobart commercial undercounter dishwasher.